Who will receive the May 13 Social Security payment? Prana Benefit TV. Millions of Americans are about to receive their Social Security payment on May 13, 2026. But no everyone qualifying for this deposit. If your birthday fall in the wrong category, your payment could arrive later than expected. Who will receive the May 13 Social Security payment? The Social Security Administration, also known as SSA, sends monthly payments to millions of Americans receiving retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. But the May 2026 payment schedule comes with an important detail many people are missing. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, your Social Security payment is scheduled for Wednesday, May 13, 2026. The SSA divides payments across three Wednesdays every month to reduce system overload and process benefits smoothly. People born between the 11th and 20th will receive payments on May 20, while those born between the 21st and 31st will get paid on May 27. Many retirees are checking their bank accounts early because rising living costs, healthcare bills, and groceries make these monthly checks more important than ever. Even a small delay can create financial stress for seniors depending on social security income for daily expenses. How much money are beneficiaries receiving? The average Social Security retirement benefits in 2026 is around $2,081 per month. Disabled workers receive about $1,634 monthly, while survivor benefits average roughly $1,625. However, the exact amount depends on work history, lifetime earning, and the age when benefits were claimed. Americans who delay retirement until age 70 often receiving significantly larger check compared to those who claimed benefits early at age 62. For many retirees, this monthly payment covers essentials like rent, food, electricity, insurance, and medical costs. That's why understanding the payment schedule has become extremely important during rising inflation and economic uncertainty. Some Americans are even surprised to discover that part time work, taxes, or Medicare deduction can significantly reduce their final monthly deposit amount. Who already received their payment earlier. Not everyone is waiting for May 13. Some Social Security receipts already received their money on May 1, 2026. This includes people who started receiving Social Security benefits before May 1997. Normally, these receipts get paid on the 3rd of every month, but because May 3 fell on weekend this year, payments arrived early on Friday, May 1. Americans who receive both Social Security and Supplemental Security income, also called SSI, also received both payments on May 1st. This early deposit helped millions avoid delay caused by the weekend payment schedule. Many recipients were relied to see their money arrive before bills become overdue. Why Social Security payments matter more than ever. For over 71 million Americans, Social Security is not just extra income, it is the financial backbone of retirement. Inflation, rising healthcare costs, and concern about the future of Social Security are making retirees pay closer attention to every monthly deposit. Many seniors now depend heavily on these checks to maintain basic financial stability. Experts say understanding payments date, earning limits, taxes, and retirement strategies can make a major difference over time. Missing information or misunderstanding the rules could lead to delay benefits or reduced monthly income. That's why millions of Americans can watching their bank accounts closely this May, waiting for the next Social Security payment to arrive.